This is a K620 E-YOOSO brand programmable gaming keyboard. Now I will use the puller to pull out the keyboard, keycap, and the switch. This side is to pull out the keycap. It's very easy with the tool. And now we can see it's a double injection keycap. The double injection, that means you see the outside is black corner, right? And the inside you see there is another corner. It's a white corner. There are two materials. So we can call it a double injection. The advantage for double injection, that means the letter on the keycap will not escape even you use the keyboard for many years. And now you can see it's a blue switch. This one is a hot swap blue switch. You can use the puller to pull out the switch. Also, with this tool, it's also very easy to pull out the switch. And we can see from this side, maybe it's too small, you cannot see it very clearly, but it shows you that this one is an outemu blue switch. Also, you saw there are two pins. If you want to if the key is broken and if you want to buy a new switch, you'd have to find that there are also a 2-pin blue switch or other switch. You can replace it. As you can see, there are 2 holes. So you can pull out with this switch.